ready to jump into the vibrant world of real-time conversations and connect with millions. Today, we're showing you how to create your very own Twitter account, step by simple step. First, download the Twitter app from your App Store, or head over to Twitter.com in your web browser once you've got it. Hit that Create Account button, you'll see it front and center. Now, Twitter needs a little information about you. Enter your name, phone number, or email address. You only need one. And your date of birth. Remember to use accurate information, as this helps Twitter personalize your experience. Click Next when you're done. This screen lets you customize how Twitter uses your data. You can leave the boxes checked to allow Twitter to track where you see Twitter content on the web, which helps them personalize your experience, or you can uncheck them if you value your privacy. Hit Next when you're ready. Double-check all your details here, making sure everything is correct. If you spot a mistake, just tap the back button to go back and fix it. Happy? Great. Tap Sign Up. Now for a quick security check. Twitter will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. Depending on what you used to sign up, retrieve that code and enter it here. Then tap Next. Time to create a strong password. Make it at least 8 characters long and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Write it down somewhere safe. Then click Next. Let's personalize your profile. You can upload a profile picture now or skip it and add one later. A good profile picture helps people recognize you. Now for the fun part, choosing your username. This is how people will find and mention you on Twitter. Twitter will suggest some options, or you can get creative and come up with your own. If it's available, grab it. Twitter will suggest some accounts and topics to follow based on your interests. Select a few to get your feed started. Don't worry, you can always unfollow or add more later. Tap Next. And that's it. You're officially on Twitter. Start exploring, engaging with tweets, and building your following. Welcome to the conversation.